So one of the biggest differences between me using and me in recovery is, one, my sense of purpose. I know why I wake up every day. I know what I have to do during the day, and I know what my goals in life are. And when I was using, I had no direction. I was completely uncertain about everything I was doing, and it was kind of just a day-to-day process of being alive and needing to cope with the fact that I was alive. And now I'm actually happy to be alive. I learned that I'm stronger than I thought. I always thought I was weak because I cried so much growing up. I thought that I was just an emotional person and that I would never improve my mental health because I always just thought that my life was going to be sadness because that was all I had known. But being in recovery gave me a purpose, it gave me a new life, and now I know my purpose, so I found happiness when I thought I wouldn't be able to.